The question I pose is, can the Galaxy Buds pull me away from the AirPods? We got some talking to do. We got to see what's going on. Because, you know, Samsung doing a lot of something around up over there. You know what I mean? They unfolding things. You know, they dropping Galaxy Buds and S10 Pluses, Galaxy Watch Active. You know what I'm saying? You know your boy got a little soft, sweet spot for Samsung. So we're going to talk about that. I want to talk about, can the Galaxy Buds pull me away from my beloved? Oh, they're not even in my pocket no more. Look, it's already begun. Where they at? Oh, no. Can the Galaxy Buds pull me away from these right here? These are my beloved AirPods. I absolutely love these things. These things are amazing. For any iPhone owner out there, if you don't have AirPods, you're missing out. Link in the description, get you some. I keep an iOS device and an Android device. And without a doubt, I'm definitely gonna grab one of these new Samsung Galaxy devices. And then therein lies the opportunity for the Galaxy Buds to be in my possession, as well as the Watch Active and so on. I'm getting off topic. Anyways, let's talk about some of the features that the Galaxy Buds offer that are very on par with the AirPods, and some of the features they offer that the AirPods don't even have. Number one thing that they first showed was how quick and easy it is to connect. Now, we've seen this before. The AirPods do the same thing. For those of you, oh man, the AirPods do that? I haven't seen that before. Listen, if something works, it's convenient, and it makes the most sense, why not use that and incorporate that? So I'm actually glad to see Samsung taking that. Like, I think these companies need to borrow the best of the best from each other to create the best. That's what it takes. So to see the Galaxy Buds going in that direction, love it. Bravo, Samsung, smart move. You know what I mean? Look for the right things to take from Apple, take them things, put them into your ecosystem and your brand, and build your brand as well. And vice versa, Apple could do the same thing as well. These will have that AKG tuning. Obviously, Samsung is working real tight with AKG for tuning their earbuds and headphones. Now, that just leads to the opportunity for there possibly to be great sound, maybe even better than the AirPods. Although the sound that I get out of my AirPods, I'm pretty content with. But anything giving me more, you feel me? These Galaxy Buds also have this dual mic technology where I guess there's dual mics on them. So when you're having a conversation, if there's too much noise in the background, like you hearing in mine, I guess it'll flip to the internal mic just to not interrupt your conversation, keep your conversation strong and healthy with good sound and audio quality. That's dope, that's great. Now, when it comes to these earbuds, now the AirPods perform great when it comes to calls. So, I mean, that is tit for tat. Who knows, that internal microphone may be even more efficient, even more effective, but my AirPods have been great to this point as far as speaking, but that's a plus for the Galaxy Buds and just in general. Now, another thing the Galaxy Buds got that I think is really great and it appeals to me is they don't cut you out from your surrounding. It says you can keep them in. Hint, hint, that's what people do with the AirPods, because you can keep AirPods in and you can keep up with what's going on around you. The fact that you can do the same with the Galaxy Buds, that's a thumbs up, win-win in my book, because I like to be able, I never want to be cut off from my surroundings. I like to be able to keep, you know what I mean, keep track and everything. I like to know what's going on here, there, everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Stay alert, be prepared. So all in all, the fact that they have that same type of functionality as the AirPods, very appealing. Now, something that the Galaxy Buds are claiming that may be a one-up on the AirPods is ergonomics. They're claiming ergonomics, lightweight fits. Now, the AirPods, the struggle is they don't fit everyone. I hear people say, hey, those Apple earbuds do not fit me well, so and so. I got lucky, thank you, that my ear cups fit perfectly fine with the AirPods. I could wear them and have them in. Now, granted, does that mean that they've never fell out? No, they have, you know, a couple times. But all in all, as long as I have them in properly and securely, they stay within my ear. They may fit more people out there, the people who couldn't get the AirPods to fit them, the Galaxy Buds may be the go for them. So that's something to keep in mind. That's why I'm like, whoo, as an AirPod user, I'm like, Galaxy Buds is bringing some heat. All right, Samsung. Another thing that these Galaxy Buds do that's very good and seamless is switching between Galaxy devices. Ecosystem, hello. Now, Apple does that automatically with their ecosystem, and obviously Samsung, I've said this in the past before, that they're developing and building their own ecosystem. And you can even see that in the way that the Galaxy Watch comes alive and is unlocked with a Samsung device, as opposed to just an Android device and definitely opposed to an iPhone device. So Samsung is developing their ecosystem, having the Galaxy Buds switch seamlessly. You know what I mean? Another play from Apple's playbook, but it's a play that you definitely are supposed to steal. So that's what's gonna solidify your ecosystem and make it something for your Samsung Nikes to definitely stick to and be within and have something to talk about in reference back to the Apple fanboys, you know? And another great thing is they're claiming 6-hour battery with the Galaxy Buds, as well as you can use that wireless power share. So with the S10 Plus, I could place the Galaxy Buds on the back of that phone and get wireless charging share. So if I need a quick top off and you know what I mean, I'm not near a wireless charger, I'm not near a charging plug device, put it on the back of the phone, charge it up, get the workout, get the quick listen in, get through whatever nonsense that I'm trying to get through with music and audiobooks and, you know what I mean, self-development. I can do that on the go. And another thing that I said in there, wireless charging, something that the AirPods do not have. It's coming. We were promised this a while ago though. And the fact that Samsung is gonna beat Apple to the wireless charging, you know what I mean, forefront, that just shows you that Samsung is like peeping, they're seeing the holes and they jumping in real quick and giving us the innovation. So that's what's up, man. So wireless charging on these is gonna be A1. That's super dope. The fact that I don't have to plug them in, which I don't mind plugging in the AirPods, but trust me, it's even more convenient to just set them down and keep it moving. You feel me? So all in all, the Galaxy Buds are looking like a nice, great potential, truly wireless earbud set to possibly replace my AirPods or anyone's AirPods. And also another thing that I didn't touch on is the price point. The price point, I mean, it's close. It's close enough to the point, but it's still cheaper. I think these are coming in at like $129 or somewhere in that area. I mean, Apple AirPods are like what, $159? I think they were even more when they first released. So granted, a better price, a lot of the same features and some features that aren't available as of right now for the AirPods. It's looking like a nice competition. I see you, Samsung. So I can't wait to get these things in my hands. Yes, they are coming to me, and I will be giving you a full review and a comparison to the AirPods. You know what I'm saying? The CJKnowTECH style way. You know what I mean? The CJ way. You know what it is. Anyway, my name is CJ. This is CJKnowsTECH, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. Can the Galaxy Buds take me away from my AirPods? I don't know, man. You know what I'm saying? All right, man. I'm done, man. Let me get up out of here before they been jacking me.